Hi, this is a mobile phone vibrator. So I'm going to try open it and show what does it contain inside. So here is the tip of my screwdriver, and here is the vibrator. To give you an idea of how small it is, let me just show you this cuff. Cheap thing here. How do we call it? Cuff. Cheap on flex. Yes. This is just to give you an idea of the size of the vibrator. Or maybe let me just bring this coaxial cable connector. So after opening the vibrator, let's check there is the rotor. With two windings and one counterweight to make the motor vibrate, which this is the counterweight. Can you see the screwdriver? This is the counterweight that makes the motor vibrates. That makes the motor vibrate. This is the counterweight, and this is the rotor with two windings, which is in fact a DC regular DC motor with the counterweight inside. And here are the brushes. Can you see them? The brushes inside. Up. The brushes and the axis of the rotor. The brushes and the axis of the rotor. Can you see them? And this is the plus and the minus. The plus and the minus of toothpick. Let me show it to you with this toothpick. Plus and minus of the vibrator motor, and here are the brushes, and here is the axis fixed to the stator, which all this thing here makes the starter of the motor with this how do we call it magnet of the motor. Let me just show you that it's a magnet. Did you see? Let me do it again. Let's just have a last look on the starter. This is the starter with the two windings that you can see clearly, two windings, and with the counterweight which is here. This counterweight, in fact, which is making the vibration effect. Let's just flip it down and see here the parts of the rotor. The brushes of the starter makes contact here. Let me just show you with this toothpick. The brushes of the starter make contact here on these pads, PCB pads of the rotor. And here is again the counterweight. Here is again the counterweight, as you know. And here is the full. Let me just mount it again. Here is the rotor. Placed on the starter, and now here is the case. And here is the vibrator. Thank you for watching my video.